Okay. So, hello everyone. Glad to see you all. I'm going to close the mic. So, everyone, now you can hear me very well. Do you want to play a game? Play a game. If yes, raise up your hand. Game. Raise up your hand. Okay, Lorene. All right. So, what's your name? Could you please tell me what's your name? It's not clear enough for me. What's your name? Yes, you. Please. Unmute. Open the mic. Theodora Sauber? Hello? Okay. So everyone, if you want to play a game, raise up your hand. Yes, I want to play a game. Everyone stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Yes. Find 5 things related to the class. 5. Like pencil, pen, colors, note, book, glue. You can find scissors or stickers. Stand up and look for something. Stand up and look for 5. You can bring 2 too, it's okay. Stand up, everyone. Yalla ya Abdurrahman, stand up. Yalla ya Nada, stand up. 5 things ya Munzer. 5 things. Pencil, note, or book, colors. You can try to find stickers too. Okay, so stand up, ya Marim, hurry up. Lily, stand up. Try to find something in your room or in the house. So stand up, please. Yalla ya Abdurrahman, go. Yalla ya Suhail. Could you please stand up? Try to find the note, pencil, colors, stickers, book, scissors, pen. Everyone, hurry up. Hurry up quickly. Ruan Rukaya, Mahmoud, Murtada. Yalla ya Anas. Quickly, Arwa, Yumna, Ahmed, Yusuf, Hajar. Could you please stand up? Stand up. Stand up. Try to find 5 things related to the class. So Miss Amira will start first. I'll go first. I have a note. Marker. I can write on the board. I have pen. Can use it to write. I have scissors. And also a tape. All related to the class. What do you have, ya lady? Yalla ya Lareen. Open the mic. What do you have? Lareen.
I have colors.
Oh, nice.
And pen and pencil and eraser.
Oh my God, very big clap to you. Excellent. Who's next? Raise up your hand. Thank you so much, Lareen. This is awesome. Everyone, raise up your hand. Who's next? Who is next? Who's ready? Go ahead. Open the mic. Unmute. Open the mic, dear. Hello? Okay, let's see, Mari. Go ahead, Mari. Nice glasses, Lareen. Go ahead, Mari.
I have book.
Yes.
Book.
And
ruler.
Okay. What else? Colors. Oh, interesting. Great job, Mariam. Great job, Mariam. Thank you so much, dear Mariam. Lily, go ahead. I cannot see the camera. Yalla, Lily. Go. Quickly, hurry up. Lily, hello?
Hello?
Yes. So, we cannot see you very well. So, what do you have? Speak. Speak. Yes.
What's your name?
Okay, Lily, thank you so much. Let's see Asil. Go ahead, Yasela. Be ready, ya Lily. Open the camera.
Color purple. Color and color blue.
Wow. Oh, and oh, you have many colors.
The yellow.
Yes. Awesome, Yasela. This is so awesome. Asil, check the speaker or the mic because I can hear noise so loud. Yes, Alnus, go ahead.
Pencil.
Yes.
Pencil.
Yes.
Notebook.
Mhm.
Red.
Oh, glue.
Ruler.
Ruler.
Yes. And
Rubber.
Rubber.
rubber too. MashaAllah, how interesting. Thank you so much, Alnus. This is
And-
awesome.
And
Nice
leather.
speaker.
Another.
So let's see Lily again. Yalla ya Lulu. Thank you so much for the camera. Yalla ya Lulu. Lily, hello. Hello. Lily, could you please open? Yes. Lily, use only one device. Use the computer, the laptop, or even the tab. Use only one. Okay? Or even move the other one to another room. Move it to another room. Okay, let's see, Nuray. Go ahead, little one. Yes, ready.
Say.
Go, go, go.
Say.
I can see colors there. Are they colors? Are they colors? I cannot hear you.
Yes.
Oh, and oh, nice color.
Colors.
لا دي اسمها ايه؟
تقول colors يعني جوا colors.
طب دي اسمها ايه؟
Pencil case.
قولي للتيتشر علي صوتك.
Pencil case.
علي صوتك.
Excellent.
اسمها ايه؟ Is your voice on?
Pencil case.
Perfect. Do you have more?
لا ايه اللي جوه البنسل كيس؟ افتحي طلعي يا ماما.
I can see there. Oh, stop.
Is your voice? قولي للتيتشر.
So hurry up. Our friends are waiting. Hurry up.
Scissors.
Scissors, perfect. Yes. Quickly. A great job. Thank you so much, Nuray. That was awesome. Actually, I like your pencil case. I like that color. Omar and Farida, hello, dear. Omar and Farida, hello. Could you please open the mic? Omar and Farida. So let's take Ruqayya.
Hello.
Oh, hold on a minute, ya Coco. Yes, Omar. Hello, Farida and Omar. Welcome to the class.
Hello.
Yalla bina start.
يلا ها هي لفريدة.
I have Shalimo. I have pen. I have marker. I have book.
Wow, mashallah. Many. How about Omar?
يلا يا عمر ستارت يا عمر يلا ها
I have the
اير ها في الليل.
airplane.
Oh,
I have
شلقها.
Shalimo.
I
Yes.
have cover, huh?
I have cover.
Wow, how interesting. Thank you so much, Omar and Farida.
Thank you.
Woohoo! Thank you. Let's take Ruqayya. يلا يا كوكو. Thank you.
Note.
Yes.
Eraser.
Great.
Pencil.
Wow.
Color.
Oh, interesting. MashaAllah. Super. Thank you so much, ya Coco. Okay, let's say karma. Karma is the last one. The rest in other questions. Don't worry. Yalla ya Coco. Coco.
I have colors.
Colors. Okay. Yes.
I
Great.
have book.
Wow.
Pencil.
Wow. And yes.
I have a ball.
Wow, you have a bowl. How interesting. Thank you so much, Karma, for that. You did awesome job. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. You did great. Ruan, Ruqayya, Ahmed, Muhammad, and Mahmoud Murtada. Don't worry, just wait. Just wait, and you're going to answer. So, everyone, let's move to today. We have a wonderful topic. Today, we have farm animals. Yes, today's topic, farm animals, ya mommies. So we're going to talk about cats, dogs, horse, pig, goat, cow, duck, and everything. So everyone, be ready. Open your ears and listen carefully. We are, Bismillah.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there, and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, and a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there, and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a turkey, gobble gobble there, and a moo moo here, and a moo moo there, and a ba ba here, and a ba ba there, and a neigh neigh here, and a neigh neigh there, and a quack quack here, and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here, and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Wow, what a nice song. Did you like the song? Raise up your hand if yes. Did you like the song? I did like the song. It's nice. Did you like the song? It's really nice. All right. Thank you so much. I did love it. So everyone, today going to talk about animals. And today we have 5 animals only. Number 1, cow, duck, pig, rabbit, and horse. So let's say one by one. One by one. Okay, ya Ahmed. Open the mic, ya Ahmed. Yalla, ya Ahmed, tell me, how many leg? How
Cow.
many leg? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4, 5. How many? 10.
جماعة الحلويات.
Leg. 4. Great job. They are 4. Thank you. Ru'a and Ruqayya. Ru'a, answer first. Thank you so much, ya Ahmed. Ru'a, hello. Ru'a and Ruqayya, hello. Open. Yes. So Ru'a first. Ru'a, tell me, what is the color? What is the color? Color, is it orange? Red? Black? White? What do you think? What is the color? Black and? Great job. How many color? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many?
علي صوتك علي صوتك علي.
Yes. Great job, dear. So Ruqayya, this animal fly like a bird or run? Fly like a bird or run? Yes. Fly, yes or no? Fly, yes or no?
Fly? Can you fly? Cow can fly?
No.
No. So walk? Walk?
Can walk?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Great job, Ru and Ruqayya. This is awesome. Thank you so much, sisters. Thank you. So, everyone, what is the sound? So this sound, this animal makes meow meow. Yeah, Layan, make meow meow. Yes or no? Meow meow. Meow meow. What do you think, Layan? This animal makes meow meow?
No.
No. Woof woof. Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure? Makes woof woof. Like the dog? Yes or no? No. What do you think? It makes the sound. Oh, again. Listen again. Because you're going to act. Huh. One more time. One more time. So, can you make the sound? Yes, again. Moo. It makes moo sound. Moo sound. Thank you so much, Luna. I like the yellow t-shirt. Thank you. So let's move to a seed. Sola. The cow eats mahshi or grass. What do you think, Yasin? The cow eat mahshi or grass? What do you think, Yassi? Sayla? Hello? Sayla? Hello? So how about Malak? Muka? Yalla ya Muka, go.
نعم.
Yes. So what do you think? The cow eats. Mahshi. Mahshi, yes or no?
No.
Oh no. Shawarma? Yes or no?
No.
No. Pizza? Yes or no? What do you think? Pizza?
Yes.
Are you sure? Have you ever seen a cow eating pizza before? Only in cartoon. So what do you think?
Yes.
Grass, green grass, yes or no?
Grass.
Yes. Yes, green grass. The cow eats green grass. Thank you so much, Malak. Yes? Sorry?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Yamuka. How cute are you? Thank you. Okay, I like the flowers dress. I love it. So everyone, please repeat after me. Cow. You can open the mic all together. Cow. Please say together. Cow. Together, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone. That was great. Moving to animal number 2. Wow, how interesting. Esther, open the mic. Yalla, Esther. I must be ready. Esther, tell me, this animal swim? Oh, great job. So, does it swim or walk? What do you think? Swim or walk? What do you think? Swim in the water like a fish or walk?
No.
No swim. So walk, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much, Esther. Thank you so much. Like your hair. Thank you. And Nusa, yalla ya Nusa. Anas, tell me, this animal fast or
This is
slow?
horse.
Yes, great job. So does it run fast or slow?
Fast.
Yes, so fast. Great job, ya Anas. Great job. Thank you. Love you. So let's see Hor. Hor, tell me.
واللي بيمشي بسرعة. واللي بيمشي بسرعة.
Hor, hello.
عشان الأولاد يركبوا عليه.
قولي يس زاد عليك.
Hor, you're on the mic. We can hear you. So Hor, so the horse eats burger? Yes or no?
حوالي
The horse eats
حوالي. No.
burger?
ما
No.
هو بسرعة عشان الأولاد يركبوا عليه. طلعوا.
No, so noise. No.
Their sister, sorry.
That's okay. So Hor, what do you think? Burger, yes or no?
No. هو عشان
Green grass. Green grass. Yes or no? Green grass. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hor. Okay. Okay, everyone. So what is the sound of the horse? The sound. So let's listen to the sound. One more time. Oh, who can make the sound? Who can make the sound? Raise up your hand if yes. Make the sound. Yes, raise up your hand if you can make the sound. Raise up your hand. Okay, yes, ya Hamza. يلا يا موزة. Make the sound. Oh, thank you so much, Hamza Amr. I hope you can open the camera. Thank you so much. That was good. Yeah, thank you so much. So everyone, can you run like a horse? Stand up. Horse, stand up. Stand up, up, yalla ya Nusa. Ana, stand up. Everyone, run like a horse. Run like a horse. Run like a horse, fast. Stand up, run like a horse. Yes, great job, fast, perfect. Good job, everyone. Thank you so much. Nice filter, Yamala. Horse, together. Open the mic, please. 1, 2, 3. Horse. Horse. Everyone, that was great. Animal number 3. Done. Okay. Wow. So what do you think? Oh, here you are again. Open the mic. Hello. Hello. Yes. What's your name? What's your name? No, your name.
Your name.
Your name.
Theodore.
Theodora. What a nice name. Looks like Dora. Do you know Dora?
Yes.
Oh, wow. How interesting. So special. So what do you think? This animal. Run or swim? In the water. Yes, it can swim. How many legs? How many legs? 2. Oh my God. You're so good, yeah, Theodora. How about the color of the leg? Color.
Orange.
Oh, wow. You were super. Super, Theodora. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear Theodora. That was awesome. Ghait. Hello. Nice name, ya Ghait. I like your name. Ghait. Hello. Hi. Hello. Yes. So can you tell me this animal, oh, sorry, this animal, what is the sound? Does it make meow meow? Cuckoo. Again.
Quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Wow. Good job. So let's listen to the sound together. Quack.
Quack.
Yes. Quack. Thank you so much, Shirish. That was awesome. So together, everyone, let's repeat. Duck. Together. Duck. Together. 1, 2, 3, go. Duck. Quickly. Awesome. All are great. Thank you so much, everyone. So let's move to the next part. It's a break. 1 minute. Everyone go drink some water. Go. Drink some water. Bismillah. Go. Hurry up, everyone. Cool. So let's move to the next animal. And the next animal, dun, dun, dun. Anas Kareem, tell me the color of this animal. Color. Color is?
Pink.
Oh, wow. What a wonderful pea. Good job. It's pink. Awesome, Anas. Thank you. So, how about Yumna? Could you please open the mic, ya Yumna? Yalla, ya Yumna. Could you please tell me how many leg? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many
Leg.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, awesome. Thank you so much, little ones. Nadine, tell me, pig. Flies? Walk. Flies? Yes or no, Nadine?
Adam. Hi, I'm Adam.
So what do you think, Nadine? Hello.
Yeah.
Fly? Fly, Nadine?
Yes. Me, I Okay.
Oh, how about walk?
So yeah.
Walk.
The last one.
Yes, good job, Nadine. Oh, too much noise. Thank you so much, Nadine. So what is this sound? Let's listen to the sound. So who can make this sound? Open your mic, huh?
Oink.
Oink, oink. Yahima, I couldn't hear you. Repeat, Yahima. So Malik Ahmed. So the name of the animal is pig. Yeah, pig. Together, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Pig. Oh, there is a kid right there. Oh my God. So everyone, let's move to the last animal. It's the cutest one there. So, Nada, this animal swim or jump?
Yum.
Of course. This animal, how many ears, Nada? How many ears? How many?
2.
2. Long or short? Long, short.
Sure.
Are you sure? Sure.
You.
Long. Too
Long
short, too
and
long.
Sure.
Think again.
She can't understand.
So the rabbit, ear, long, short, or long. What do you think? Let's see here. These
Long
ears,
or short?
long or short?
Long.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Thank you so much. It's me, Miss Wafat. It's me. So, Malik, go ahead. Can you make the sound of this animal? Sound? Does it make meow meow? Woof? Oink oink? Quack quack? What do you think? Malik Ahmed, what is the sound? This is the sound that I hear on YouTube. So what do you think, ya Malik? Malik, hello.
Rabbit.
Yes, so Malik, tell me, what is
Rabbit.
food the rabbit likes? Pizza or carrots? Pizza or carrots?
Yes.
Yes, what? Pizza? No. I can tell you. Is it carrot?
Yes.
What's going on? Thank you so much, Malik Ahmed. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's repeat together. Rabbit. Stand up and jump like a rabbit. So together, 1, 2, 3. Jump like a rabbit. 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 Thank you so much. Everyone, do you want to play a game? Yes. Raise up your hand. Yes? Yes, raise up your hand. Let's play together. So, first, let's go to our website. Hold on. I'm gonna share with you the website in a second. Everyone can play this game on the website, ya mommies. So if you did check the website, ya mommy, the school website, you can see this game. This is for science. So all you need to do is to look for, where is the farm animal? So let's see. Amr, could you please tell me one name? يلا يا عمر. One name يا عمر. One name. Can you see all these animals? Tell me one name. Tiger? Yes or no? Fish? Yes, good job, ya Amr. The duck. Thank you so much. Let's see, Suhail, could you please tell me one animal? Tell me one name. Huh?
Duck.
We took the duck. Huh? And?
Duck.
And?
Fish.
Oh, are you sure? Did we talk fish? Thinking?
Lion.
Line? Are you sure line in the farm? Farm. Lion can eat all the animals. Lion? No. Think again. What? Again.
Cow.
Cow. Excellent. Yes, well, thank you. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you so much, dear. One animal. We took it. We took the duck. What's next? Yeah, yeah, next. Huh? You have here tiger, fish, horse, lion, octopus, rabbit, and pig. Okay, that was good. Thank you. Hima, yalla Hima. One animal. Hima, hurry up. Hima, hello? Can you unmute yourself? Open the mic. Hima, hello? Yes.
Hello.
Yes, one animal. What do you think? You have here all of these animals. So what do you think? Is it the tiger? Tiger, yes.
Cow.
And the farm? Good job, we took the cow. And? And we took the duck. What next? Tiger, no.
Horse.
Fish, no. Good job, the horse. Thank you so much, Hima. That was good. So let's see another. Yalla, ya Hana. Nunu, yalla ya Hanoon. So, we still have two. Tell me one.
Rabbit on the farm.
Yes, rabbit in the farm. Thank you so much. That was great, Yununi. Allahumma barik. So how about, okay dear. How about Arwa? Yalla ya Arwa. Arwa, hello?
Hello, Miss.
Yes, tell me one animal there. The last one. Is it the lion or the pig? Is it the lion
Lion.
or the pig?
Lion. Lion.
Are you sure?
Lion.
Are you sure? Lion in the farm? Or the pig? Pig. Pig. Oink, oink. The sound of the pig. So what do you think? Do you need help? How about Rahma? Rahma, can you help? So is it the lion or the pig?
Open. The big.
The pig. Thank you so much. That was the last one. And yes, 5 on 5. Thank you so much, Arwa and Rahma. And thank you so much, everyone. We had another game, but there is no time. Let's take a picture together. Everyone, open the camera. 3, please, everyone. We all answered. We all answered. Even one time, it's okay. But let's take a picture together. 3, everyone open the camera. 2, smile. 3, 2, 1. Make this sign. Oh, sorry. 3, 2, 1. Another one. 3, 2, 1. Another one. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. See you, inshallah, another session. Have a great day. Love you. Love you. Goodbye, everyone. I really love you. You're so cute, all of you. Thank you. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, I didn't. Oh, the mic. Sorry. Thank you so much.
Miss, I love you.
I love you too. Oh, so many hearts. Yeah, Karma. Thank you so much, Karma. Oh, bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.